Hello. In this video, I will show you how to register and enroll on our new software platform called EthosCE. First, you'll want to go to our University of Idaho WAMI Medical Education homepage, which can be found at cme.wami.uidaho.edu. From there, go to the top right and click on Register. From here, go ahead and enter your preferred email address and fill out all the information down below. Once completed, hit Create New Account. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and just do login instead. Once you're officially registered and logged into your account, you'll go ahead and want to hit Catalog. From here, you can be presented a list of all the courses that we are currently offering. Feel free to browse and enroll in any of them. But before moving forward, I would like to specify that it is always required for you to enroll in a course first before you can enroll in the sessions within that course. So for this example, let's go ahead and pick a course. In this case, let's say we are interested in liver disease and viral hepatitis. So let's go ahead and click on that course. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and click the box to the participation agreement and hit Enroll. All right, you should get a green notification here that says you've officially signed up for that particular course. But we're not done yet, as we will next go ahead and choose the particular sessions we would like to enroll within the course. As you'll see listed here, they'll have the status of which is available, but you're going to want to check the box of the sessions you're interested in. In this case, we'll go ahead and pick the upcoming next one, but you're always more than welcome to click on multiple or on all of them if you like. Once you've selected the sessions you're interested, hit Enroll. And again, you'll be prompted with another green successful message that you've enrolled for that particular session. You'll also receive a confirmation email of your enrollment. And then also on the day of the session, you'll receive a reminder email as well. And that is it. Now let's go ahead and fast forward to the day of the session, and you need to go ahead and join the Zoom link. So let's go ahead and you'll need to log back in on the day of. And you're going to click on My Account. From here, go ahead and select My Activities. Then we'll do Pending Activities. And then find the upcoming session that you're going to join and go ahead and click on it. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and hit Take Course. And then on the day of, you'll go ahead and hit Start Course. Now, keep in mind, in this case, this course isn't going to occur yet, but we did leave a note that the Zoom link will not be available until 15 minutes prior to the start of the session. So if you do log in prior to that, the link will not appear. Now, if you are waiting and you are within 15 minutes, you may need to refresh your web browser if the link doesn't appear. But when you do hit Start Course, the link should appear here in this subsection, where then you're going to go ahead and log in to the Zoom session like previous past sessions. But of course, if you're having any issues, feel free to contact us and we'll be more than willing to help. But other than that, that is all you need to do to register and enroll and join the Zoom sessions. I hope this video is helpful, but of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. But other than that, I hope you have a great day and hope to see you in future sessions, and take care.